Welcome, future and potential Reading Christian School families. I'm Brian Steffen. I'm the principal for the middle school and high school. In light of current situations, we have been unable to do things that we would normally do, such as having an open house. So what we've done instead is, just to give you a quick little introduction to some of your teachers, is on our school website, which if you go to readingchristian.com, you'll get to this home school website of ours. And if you scroll to the right to where we have campus life and go down to student life, it will load a page that has a map of our campus and little toggles and little buttons where you could look at different individual teachers. My recommendation is in the upper left-hand corner of the map, there is a toggle. And if I click this toggle, it will list then each of our staff. And here you have an opportunity to go and look, say for example, you wanted to see Mrs. Henry. When you click on Mrs. Henry, there's a video that will load and give you a quick introduction to who Mrs. Henry is and what she does for the school. So again, campus life, down to student life, and then you can click on the toggle to access each teacher. You'll notice that it's also separated out by divisions. We have all of our high school staff listed, we have our middle school staff, and then we have several teachers who teach both in the high school and the middle school. If you would rather, you can also access it from the map itself, where you can meet one of our newest teachers, Mr. Gimmel, who'll be teaching geometry and pre-calculus. While it's not the same is having you all on campus and having our younger students shadow a day in the high school or the middle school, it is something that you can at least do for now to get to know some of our staff. I'm excited about what the next year holds. This year is almost beyond us, and so we'll say goodbye to that as we look forward to the 2020-2021 school year. If you're interested in scheduling a time to come and visit campus, we can do some appointments through Zoom. We can do some appointments on site. If you have interest in the school itself and getting a copy of the application, please feel free to contact me directly, bsteffen@readingchristian.com, or you can call the office to schedule a time, although office hours are a little unique in these current circumstances. Thank you all so much. And I just remember in the words of Christ when he was talking about what are the greatest commandments, and these have been sticking with me a lot lately. Love the Lord your God with all your heart, soul, and mind. And second most important is to love your neighbor as yourself. So in this time of uncertainty, we can continue to love our God and love our neighbors. Thank you so much.